Simon McCoy, who originally left the BBC in favour of joining GB News, sensationally revealed last week that he has quit his role with the broadcaster. However, the 60-year-old newsreader might not have expected the reports he read about the switchover. The channel had once described him as one of Britain's best-loved and most charismatic journalists. Yet, taking to Twitter this evening, he quoted, a spokesman for GB News told Express.co.uk, Simon is being replaced by Eamonn Holmes and Isabel Webster, and we're thrilled about this. He added, sarcastically, in response to the spokesman's comment, that's nice. He then received a flood of positive comments from sympathetic fans in response. Among those of his 68,400 followers who responded was Andrew MacDonald, who simply wrote, it is their loss. Meanwhile, Mick responded encouragingly to address the perceived snub, writing, Eamonn Holmes is okay but he's no Simon McCoy. Another user, Jimmy Conley, delivered a hard-hitting swipe to GB News, urging others to get yourself over to ITV, where all the good guys are. Aaron Neve claimed, not sure why you lowered yourself with that news in the first place. However, Thomas Hope attempted to rationalize the snub, reassuring Simon, they are thrilled about the new additions, not about you leaving. In any case, Simon's Twitter profile suggests that his career is not his primary commitment, stating, not married to the job, but to someone lovely. He follows Andrew Neil, who also stepped away from the channel recently, stating that he had felt like a minority of one in his workplace. Meanwhile, 62-year-old Eamonn, who previously hosted This Morning for 15 years, was quick to publish a statement about his new venture and his hopes that it would offer a voice to the previously unheard. I've spent my career on broadcasting firsts and startups, and GB News is one of the most exciting yet, he enthused. It's just the kind of shake-up the industry needs. I've admired GB News from the beginning for its clever mix of punchy debate, he added, but delivered with warmth and even some fun. To me, the greatest honor in journalism is to give a voice and respect to the unheard, and that's exactly what GB News is all about. Eamonn will be presenting alongside Isabel Webster, after Kirsty Gallagher sadly found a tumor in her ear and announced she too would be stepping back from her role. Since the TV channel's launch in June, it has seen various presenters attempt to become the voice of Britain via its shows. Former UKIP leader Nigel Farage is one such presenter. However, owing to personal reasons, Simon will definitively not be continuing his journey with GB News.